All body shops are not the same. When choosing a collision repair facility, CrashRepairInfo.com, a website funded by many OEs, advises consumers to first look at a shop's work area. A clean, organized shop is a sign of professionalism. Next, look for plaques or certificates stating the shop is a current member of the local Better Business Bureau or is a member of a local, regional, or national trade organization. Ask what kind of training the technicians have had, or if they are certified or recognized by some entity. For example, do they have factory training, ICAR training, OE certification? Are they ASE certified? Do they have third-party certification? CrashRepairInfo.com advises consumers to also look for certificates of completed training from paint companies, refinish product suppliers, or industry training centers. Also, check with family or friends who have recently been through the collision repair process. Consumers should be comfortable with the body shop and be reasonably sure that it will provide a safe and proper repair for their vehicle. After all, they will have to live with the results of the shop's work for a long time.